मैंने पहले भी कहा माननीय सदस्य, फिर आपसे आग्रह करता हूं, प्रश्नकाल के अंदर प्रश्नकाल को कभी बाधित नहीं करें। प्रश्नकाल माननीय सदस्यों का होता है, सरकार की जवाबदेही होती है। कई माननीय सदस्य मेरे पास आकर आग्रह किया है कि हमारा बहुत कठिनाइयों से प्रश्न आया है और कुछ माननीय सदस्य जानबूझकर प्रश्न को बाधित करते हैं। मैंने आपको हर विषय, हर मुद्दे पर पर्याप्त समय दिया है, लेकिन इस तरीके से आप सदस्यों के प्रश्नकाल के समय बाधित करो, नियोजित तरीके से सदन को वेदान केदा करो, ये उचित नहीं है। मैं पुनः आपसे आग्रह करता हूं कि प्लीज आप अपनी अपनी सीट पर बैठिए। प्रश्नकाल के बाद इस चर्चा में भाग लीजिए। प्लीज प्लीज बैठिए। इकरा चौधरी जी मेरे पास आई, प्रश्नकाल चलने दो। सच्चिदानंद जी मेरे पास आए, कई मान्य सदस्य मेरे पास आए। आप मान्य सदस्यों के हक को नहीं मार सकते, ये तरीका उचित नहीं है। आप अगर सदन को वैधान करना चाहते हैं, नियोजित तरीके से गतिरोध पैदा करना चाहते हैं, ये संसदीय परंपराओं के अनुरूप नहीं है। सदन की कार्रवाई आज 12 बजे तक के लिए स्थगित की जाती है।
To the Joint Committee on Offices of Profit in the vacancies caused by the retirement of Sri N.R. Elango and Sri Deepak Prakash from the membership of Rajya Sabha with effect from 2nd April 2026 and 21st June 2026 respectively, and resolves that the House do proceed to elect in the manner as directed by the Chairman 2 members from amongst the members of the House to the said Joint Committee to fill the vacancies. Thank you, sir.
The motion moved. Those in favor will please say aye. Aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. The motion is adopted. Now matters raised with permission. You all take your seat. You all take your seat. Then only I will ask him to speak. If you all take your seat, then I will ask him to speak.
Sir, Mike, sir. Sir, thank you very much, sir. Sir, I crave the indulgence of all the members cutting across the party lines. This is not a partisan issue. It's a bipartisan issue. Sir, we have a parliamentary democracy based on multi-party system. Yesterday, an unfortunate incident happened. A Delhi police team barged into the headquarters of CPM, which is a national political party. You know that, sir. Camera not showing, sir. Why are they camera playing like this?
No. You address to me.
Sir.
You address to me.
Sir.
You address to me.
Sir. Yesterday, Delhi police team barged into AKG Bhavan. You have huge respect. You have told many a time respect for AK Gopalan. Sir, it was to arrest Aishi Ghosh, Madam Nirmala ji, who is a former JNU Students Union president. Her only mistake was that she participated in Jantar Mantar agitation. Leave it, sir. Sir, I happen to be there, sir. I want your indulgence. Yashankar ji, you also should. I happened to go there. I asked the Delhi police team, why did you barge into the office of a national political party? Then they said they want to arrest Aishi Ghosh, who is here. And I asked, what is the reason? They said there is a case pending against her. And I asked about the case. 2021 case with regard to certain protest in JNU campus. Sir, then I told them, sir, please listen.
लोकशाही मराठी ऐका, पहा, जागरूक रहा.